Friends, today I am going to start new chapter data handling using pandas. Beta, this is very important chapter. This is unit 1 of your IP class 12 syllabus and the weightage of this chapter is 30 marks. So beta, this is very important and we need library for doing pandas work, and the library needed for this file is import pandas. And similarly there is one more library in your syllabus, that is matplotlib. I will discuss matplotlib in details when we will start data visualization. Now beta, you have to install the library pandas and I will share the PDF. How will you import that library? You have to install the library, and this you will do with the help of certain commands. And now we are starting with pandas. Beta, panda, what is pandas? Panda is a useful package. It is used to analyze the data. Means we arrange the data in such a way that we can generate reports, we can do operations on the data. So basically pandas are used to store the data, and that data is then later on used for analysis and manipulation. So this is the reason of creating panda. It is a package for useful for data analysis and manipulation. It provides powerful and easy to use data structures, and on these data structures we can quickly perform operations. And panda has advantages also. It handles missing data. Pandas uses series for creating one dimensional structure and data frames for multi-dimensional structure. There is panel also, but we will not discuss panel. We will only do data series and data frames. So students, this chapter is important. It is little bit difficult, little bit. So if you pay attention, you will easily learn. We will use the slides or the PDF from python4csip.com and pythontrends.wordpress.com. So what is data structure in panda? First of all beta, data structure is the way to arrange the data, and data is arranged in such a way that it can easily be accessed. We can do operations like retrieval, deletion and modification of the data. Pandas deal with three data structures: series and data frames. Panels. Beta, series is a one-dimensional structure, whereas data frame is a two-dimensional structure. So students, we will cover only series and data frame. Now what is series? Series is a data structure. Series is a data structure which is one-dimensional array which contains homogeneous data. Beta, you will be asked to differentiate between series and data frames. So you will remember series is a one-dimensional structure and it contains homogeneous data. Beta, there will also be index. इंडेक्स होगा डिफ़ॉल्ट इंडेक्स. अगर हम कोई सीरीज़ बनाते वक्त इफ़ वी डू नॉट प्रोवाइड एनी इंडेक्स, देन द डिफ़ॉल्ट इंडेक्स विल बी 0, 1, 2, 3 एंड सो ऑन. So what is series? Series is a one-dimensional array like structure. It contains homogeneous data. There will also be index in your series. So beta, each series has two parts. One is the data part and another is the associated index. I have already told you, if you do not give index while creating a series, default index will be 0, 1, 2, 3 so on. But you can provide index also while creating the series. जब आप इंडेक्स प्रोवाइड करोगे तो जो आपने प्रोवाइड किया होगा वो इंडेक्स बन जाएगा. अदरवाइज आपका इंडेक्स डिफ़ॉल्ट 0, 1, 2, 3 होगा. सी बेटा, इंडेक्स इन दिस एग्जाम्पल डाटा इज 10, 15, 18, 22, whereas index is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is an example of series. Now we will learn how to create a सीरीज़. अब हम नेक्स्ट करेंगे कि सीरीज़ हमें बनानी कैसे. तो अगेन रीड विद मी. सीरीज़ इज़ अ वन डायमेंशनल एरे लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. इट कंटेन्स होमोजीनियस डाटा which can be used to handle and manipulate. Series has index also, and that index is mutable. Now next, see beta, now we are creating series. Import pandas as pd. Beta, panda is your library. Import numpy as np. Again this is your library. Array is equal to np dot array 10, 15, 18, 22. Beta, these pd and np are user defined name. You can write any name. And array is equal to np dot array. Beta, this array is your array. You are creating it from a list 10, 15, 18, 20. Now after creating array, you are creating the series with the help of series method and passing the value of array. Now when you write print s, you will get this type of output 0, 1, 2, 3 excuse me, 0, 1, 2, 3. So beta, 0, 1, 2, 3, these are your index. Beta, 0, 1, 2, 3, these are your index. एंड 10, 15, 18, 20 दिस इज़ योर डाटा जो आपने एरे में पास किया था. सो देखिए, अब आपने ये जब सीरीज़ बना रहे थे, आपने इसमें इंडेक्स, जब आपने ये सीरीज़ बनाई, यू वर नॉट गिविंग एनी टाइप ऑफ इंडेक्स, यू वर सिंपली पासिंग, you are creating series, you are passing an array and your array contains value. So default index is provided itself and the default index was 0, 1, 2, 3. This was your index, and 10, 15, 18, 22, this is the data which you have provided. Now there is another example of series. Import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. Again I am repeating, pandas and numpy are your libraries. pd and np are any user defined names. Array is equal to np dot array a b c d. Now you are creating an array array. Now pd dot series array comma index is equal to first, second, third, fourth. Now you are passing a list of index. Now in your series, this time you will not get index 0, 1, 2, 3 because 0, 1, 2, 3 वो डिफ़ॉल्ट इंडेक्स जो आपके लास्ट एग्जाम्पल में थे. इस बारी आपने इंडेक्स सीरीज़ क्रिएट करते वक्त यू हैव रिटन इंडेक्स एक्सप्लिसिटली equal to first, second, third, fourth. That's why in this series your index will be first, second, third, fourth, and data will be A, B, C, D. So beta, from these two examples you can easily see, if you do not write any index while creating a series, then the default index will be 0, 1, 2, 3. But if you write index is equal to this while creating a series, then that index will come rather than default index. Now beta, we can also create a series from a scalar value. Scalar means some fixed values. To create a series from scalar value, an index must be provided. The scalar value will be repeated as per the length of index. Import pandas as pd dot series 50. Now index is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now beta, your series will contain 50 and 5 times, because at index 0 value will be 50, at index 1 value will be 50, at index 2 value will be 50. So when we create series from a scalar value, then that scalar value will appear at all the index. See, 50 value is coming at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a way to create a series from scalar values. Now beta, we can also create a series from a dictionary like this. Import pandas as pd. D is equal to, beta, you know curly braces means your dictionary, and dictionary has two values. One is your key and another is your value. So beta, when you create a series from a dictionary, then your key will come as इंडेक्स. बच्चे, आपका की कैसे बन जाएगा सीरीज में? इट विल वर्क एज अ इंडेक्स एंड वैल्यू विल बी द डाटा ऑफ योर सीरीज. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, व्हेन वी क्रिएट अ सीरीज फ्रॉम अ डिक्शनरी, देन द की will become index and the values will become the data of your series. Import pandas as PD. D is equal to name Hardik, IPL team MI runs 1500. This is your dictionary. Now S is equal to PD dot series. D means series function is used to create a series from a dictionary. When you write print S, when you write beta print S, name, IPL, team runs, these were the index, these are the index and they were keys in your dictionary. So keys will become index and the values will become data in your data series. So beta these were examples of series. Till now you have learnt which libraries are used to create series. Answer is import pandas as PD. Beta PD is the user defined name. And which library is needed to create arrays? Your answer is NumPy. Then we learned series is a one dimensional structure which holds the data, and series contains homogeneous data. And what else? Series has data and index. Default index was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but you can explicitly mention the index you want to give in your series by writing the required index in the form of list. After that we learned how to create series from arrays. Then we learned how to create series from array, but this time we are mentioning the index also. This time we are mentioning the index also. So beta after that we learn how to create a series from scalar values. Then we learn how to create a series from dictionary. Keys will become index and values will become the data. Beta after that very important functions are head and tail. Beta these are very important functions. You will definitely get 1 or 2 marks question in board from this topic. Head. Beta head is used to access the first rows of a 5 rows of series. If I create a series, then I write series name dot head. Head is a function, it will show me first top 5 rows of series, but I want to see only the 3 rows, top 3 rows. Then I will write series name dot head, bracket mein I will write 3, then it will show me only first 3 rows of the data series. Beta you can see from the example, head is used to access the first 5 rows of a series, but if you want to access the first 3 rows, you can write series name dot head and as a argument you will pass the value 3. See beta, import pandas as PD, import numpy as np, array is equal to np dot array. Now beta you are creating an array from a list of values. Now after that you converted that array into series with the help of PD dot series function. S is equal to PD dot series array. It means you have converted your array into series. Now if you write S dot head, so beta matlab there were so many values in your series. 10 will have index 0, 15 will have index 1, 18 का होगा 2, 18 का 2, 55 3, 77 4, 42 5, 48 6, 97 7. But when you write print S dot head, it will show you the first 5 rows. First 5 rows means ये 10, 15, 18, 22, 55, यानी कि इंडेक्स क्या होगा 0 से 4 वैल्यूज़ शो करेगा ये 0 से 4 index and these first 5 rows. But if you write print s dot head 3, then it will show you the top 3 rows of your series. So beta these are very interesting. And tail function is used to show see or access the last 5 rows. See, tail function is used to access the last 5 rows of a series. But similarly, if you want to see only the last 3 rows, then you will write the series name dot tail bracket में 3. If you want to see the last 4 rows, then you will write series name dot tail bracket में 4. You can see the example. Import pandas as pd, import numpy as np, p dot array is equal to np dot array means you are creating an array. Then pd dot series add, you are converting your array into series. Then if you write s dot tail, tail will print the first 5 rows. First 5 rows means 10, 50, sorry, I am wrong. Tail will print the last 5 rows. Last 5 rows means यहाँ से आपका आ जाएगा 55 से लेकर ये वाला बेटा 55, 77, 42, 48, 97. एंड इफ़ यू राइट एस डॉट टेल 4 तो वो क्या करेगा लास्ट की 4 यानी कि 77 से शो करेगा. दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट बेटा सीरीज़. प्लीज़ रिवाइज दिस चैप्टर इज़ नॉट ईजी. अगर आप साथ के साथ नहीं पढ़ोगे इट विल क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू. तो बेटा मेक नोट्स फ्रॉम दीज, राइट कोडिंग इन द नोटबुक, देन ओनली you will be able to solve the question related to series and data frames. Make notes, go through the PDF twice, then only you will understand. And please do series and frame daily. अगर आप इकट्ठा करोगे ये बहुत सारा है, बहुत वास्ट है, then it will create problem. Okay बेटा, thank you.